CAD, computer-aided design. Computer-aided design is the process of digitally creating design simulations of real-world goods and products in 2D or 3D, complete with scale, precision, and physics properties to optimize and perfect the design, often in a collaborative manner, before manufacturing. CAD is also sometimes called computer-aided design and drafting. Using computer-based software to assist in design processes is known as computer-aided design. Various kinds of engineers and designers regularly utilize CAD software. Two-dimensional drawings and three-dimensional models can both be produced using CAD software. Historical. The first commercial numerical control programming system, Pronto, created by Dr. Patrick J. Hanratty in 1957, is credited with giving rise to computer-aided design. Sketchpad, developed by Ivan Sutherland in 1960 at MIT's Lincoln Laboratory, proved the viability and fundamentals of computer-aided technical sketching. Because the machines were so expensive when CAD was first developed, it was not precisely a viable business option. Engineers may now employ CAD files that accurately depict the object's dimensions and attributes thanks to the development of mini-computers and microprocessors in the latter half of the 20th century, and the resulting increase in computing power, particularly after the rise of cloud computing. We quickly become aware of the importance of CAD in any urban environment, made up of objects that all without exception were designed before being manufactured one day. Who uses CAD? Computer-aided design is used in a wide variety of professions. CAD software is used heavily within various architecture, arts, and engineering projects. CAD use cases are specific to industry and job functions. Professions that use CAD tools include, but are not limited to: 1. Mechanical. The field of mechanics is historically one of the first to be equipped, in the 1960s, with CAD software. These allow the designer to express and model a large number of constraints during the design phase of a mechanical assembly. The corresponding software is used during one or more development phases, for example product process specifications, sketches, dimensioning, kinematic analyses, dynamic analyses, preparation for manufacturing, etc. 2. Electronics. Products also exist for the design of electronic circuits or microprocessors. The design of an electronic circuit presents two difficulties. The first, concerning the desired electrical or logical behavior, is certainly the easiest to deal with. We obtain a computer model of the diagram built as on a CAD tool. However, each component is affected by a law of behavior, which provides a virtual model allowing operation tests. 3. Architecture and interior design. Animations and other presentational materials can also be produced using CAD, which can also be used to construct 2D or 3D representations. Detailed instructions on how to make something are delivered through technical drawings. Designs for mechanical engineering and architectural structures can be included in technical drawings using CAD. 4th, 3D printing. Creating a three-dimensional, real-world object from a digital model can be done via a process called three-dimensional printing. It is accomplished by using an additive technique that involves building up layers of material, typically thermoplastic, in succession. A horizontal cross-section of the ultimate object is represented by each layer, which is finely sliced. Examples of CAD software. AutoCAD. One of the first CAD software to hit the market was AutoCAD from Autodesk, which has a strong reputation in several industries. This CAD program is used for 2D and 3D drafting and design. It can produce designs, equipment layouts, section planes, model documentation, and more. CATIA, an acronym of Computer-Aided Three-Dimensional Interactive Application, is a multi-platform software suite for computer-aided design, computer-aided manufacturing, computer-aided engineering, 3D modeling, and product lifecycle management, developed by the French company Dassault Systems. SolidWorks, professional 3D designers frequently utilize this Dassault Systems product. It is a feature-based, parametric model. Employers usually look for candidates with SolidWorks knowledge because it is a well-known mechanical design software with a sizable user base. This 3D modeling CAD software is widely utilized in the mechanical engineering and design fields. Inventor, the Autodesk-provided CAD software is a powerful program built specifically for mechanical design, making it a specialized tool for 3D design, documentation, and product simulation. Solid Edge, developed by Siemens as a PLM software, functions on Windows, provides solid modeling, assembly modeling, and 2D orthographic view. FreeCAD. FreeCAD is an open-source parametric modeler that excels in all vital CAD applications, including product design, mechanical engineering, and architecture. Share with us your favorite CAD software. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe.